Yes, bro. Yeah, but you good? Presenting Canada to the world. All right, check it out, though. I appreciate it, man. Oh, the wave is coming. The wave is coming. People are going crazy. Right? Hey, you guys okay? Yeah, I think you're competing. We got Olympics going on. Let the fun begin. Oh man, it's wild and wild indeed, and it's going crazy here. What's up? So cool. Yeah. What's up, bro? You're looking cute, man. You going for some action? Yeah. Make sure you take care of it, eh? Enjoy. Yeah. He's going to also check out this ride, eh? Yeah. We hear people are screaming. Already they's coming. Woo! So basically, they just landed after going all the way to the top. They just came from the top. Hello, guys. Have a good time? Yeah. So this is the live action. Actually fell down. What's up, bro? So this is what it takes to go all the way up there just for this, amusement. But it's quite amazing. This area, and this is one of the main areas of the park. And because of the size of it and the pool, it can accommodate a significant amount of people. Friends and family, once again, welcome today. Today we changed the scenery a little bit, and here we are at Wet and Wild. It's actually in Brampton, and it's about 40 minutes away from downtown Toronto if you're coming on Highway 401. My wife recommended this place, so we decided to come and check it out. It's really hot today. It's about 31 degrees in Toronto and also in Brampton. So we just wanted to come here and enjoy the amenities of this place. It's not far from where we're standing right now. This is the main entrance. So we're gonna be taking here and bring you all the actions today at the Wet and Wild. Woohoo!
Like 2 more, let's go.
So all these cars that you see here are also making their ways to the park. You actually reserve a reservation before you'll be able to come in, and as you can see, the security guard at the gate is asking people for their admission. So you can see the lineup already, and we're going to be taking to the place for all the actions. Almost like a pilgrimage. All these individuals are here. They are also going to enter the park. We are about 300 meters away into the park, and you can hear the music blasting, cheerings, all the way the fun begins. Another interesting fact that we discover is the COVID self-screening. So basically you gotta scan this code, and once the code is scanned, you can actually self-check, self-screen, then you are on your way to the park. Without this, you cannot enter. So this is the main entrance once you get to the water park. It's another checkpoint where you gotta get through. And over here you can see all the slides. But for now we are entering the main gate. Our last checkpoint before we get in. So you can already see people are checking in. Yeah, they're scanning their tickets right here before entry. So finally we have entered the Wet and Wild. And once you come in, this is the welcoming area that you get. It has a swimming pool, you have swimming chairs, and it has a little patio area where you can actually hang out. But basically this is the main entrance when you come in, and you can see that people are diving, people are tossing. The heat is quite extreme, and individuals are taking advantage. They don't want to go to the beach, but right in the city you can find the beach. And this is what we are experiencing right now at the Wet and Wild, formerly the Wild Water Kingdom. Welcome to the Barefooting Bay, where all the actions happen. Woohoo! 2, 3! Crazy, people are going crazy. Let the fun begins, let the fun begins, let the fun begins. Wet and Wild. Definitely it's Wet and Wild. Wow. What an amusement. Come check it out. Shaking. So basically what it does is that it's gonna be start shaking people. Oh! See the water is moving them. It gives you the feeling like you're in the ocean. And exactly this is what is happening. It's tossing people around. It's moving them around. Oh my God. It's crazy. Wow. You gotta know how to swim though, because if this thing starts taking you away. But this is live recording, live action, presenting Canada to the world. And it's a beautiful Sunday afternoon at the Wet Wild. And people are just enjoying. It's 31 degrees by the way. This side here is very deep, so you don't see that many people on that side. But here you can see people are very congregated, and the water is just moving them up and down, 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 up and down. Let's get some action from here too. Yeah, up and down, up and down, up and down. Yeah. All happening here at Wet Wild. All happening here. Yeah. Go for it. It's cooling down now. Basically, this is why this side here is very attractive. And most people just come here to just enjoy the water waves. Quite elegant. Man, this is lovely. Alright, so now it's kind of cooling down. And after a couple of minutes, it will come back on again. But yeah, this is all the live action Wet and Wild. Yeah, so this side here we are. Basically, go on this staircase, it takes you through this whirlpool and it takes you all the way down here. But you really need this balloon to really take you from there all the way down here. So you can see people are here all lined up and we're also going inside. It's a very popular destination. So if you're in here, make sure you check out this one as well. It's one of the most fun places. But this is one of the popular amenities. And also you got individuals on the staircase waiting for their turn on the other side. Very, very, very popular place. And the amusement, the enjoyment, I think it's worth it standing in line for this long. So as I go over the hill, you can see that people are climbing on a staircase. And basically once you go on that staircase over there, you go through the pipeline and it gives you that slide all the way from this tunnel. As the camera is moving, it twists you, it moves you, and all the way it takes you to the bottom. So this is one of the areas as well. So if you happen to be in the park, make sure you check it out. So we are entering another section of the park, and this area is called the Muskoka Soka, and it has a little bit top here, as you can see, just to get in. The top extends all the way over there, and right in front of me you also have another pool or another beach area, and you also have some chairs and umbrella. Definitely this is a sight to be seen. Looks like the Caribbean, but definitely you're not in the Caribbean. You are still in Canada, Brampton, Ontario. Quite amazing. Check out the view. This is the Bermuda Triangle. Woo. And basically you go to the top here and then you go and you slide. It's also one of the popular amenities here, and definitely it's a most checked out place. So see somebody else is coming. Woo! Wow. You okay? Right now we are entering the Crazy Canoe, and you can see the lineup of massive of people line up all the way from downstairs to upstairs. You see people already hanging over there. So basically they go on top of this staircase, stand over there, and then from there they go through these big tunnels, and all the way it slides them down. Sometimes they go through this loop here, the one in purple and green, and it loops them all the way, and then definitely it brings them to this pool that you can see right here. So this is also one of the areas where it's very popular and very famous, and people wait for hours just to get in line to get over there. So we just also wanted to bring it to this site to showcase to you. Yep, home time. What's up? Home time, eh? Yeah, home time? Yeah, we are off now. You can see the crowd is dead. So we are just heading home. It was a really fun activities and we really enjoyed it. So make sure you subscribe to make the channel grow. What's up, man, bro? You good? Yeah, peace out, man. All right. Yeah, so off we go,